guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing Murder Mystery 2 again. And by the way, stay tuned because I'm going to be unboxing this in the end of the video. Well, now, when is this gonna start? How much people? Where's the murderer? And by the way, I unboxed this in the summer update. Look, and the summer update is still here. So, I'm gonna be trying to unbox the godly. That is like over here, like it's that. The question mark, question mark, question mark, question mark. Probably like 0.2 because it shows 0.2%, and that means 0.2%. What about the chroma? No, and guys, tomorrow in the next video, we're going to be playing Jailbreak. If you want me to play a different game like Pet Sim X, because since I have Roblox Premium, in 2 days I'm gonna be getting Robux, and I'm going to buy an egg, the Volk egg. I haven't even played that game in a long time. I don't know what's new. I just know that there's a new exclusive egg. That's why I'm returning. And if there was a way to spend coins, I would. If there was a way to get coins with Robux, I would buy a lot of coins. But you can only buy these, sadly. And you could buy them like that. But like for 100 Robux, just for a chance to like get like this, like let me just show you a clown, because I traded my clown once. Okay, now it's time to stop yapping. Very nice news. Among Us. Let's go. By the way, guys, I don't have my headphones because I'm in a different country called Istanbul, Turkey. So I don't have my headphones. Sad face. Well, now let's just keep on collecting these coins. By the way, guys, if you want me to play a different game than Jailbreak, just comment it down below, and maybe I'll reply to you, and maybe it will be sorry, but I cannot do that, or maybe it will be yes, I can do that. So if you don't want me to play Jailbreak, just comment the game that you want me to play, because you have the control over my videos. I need to give the people what they want, because they need to like my videos. And by the way, guys, thank you so much for 140 subs. Goal is 200 200. Let's go, good job. What the hell are they doing to her? Because they just like cut off her body. If you saw that. So 1_2. And let me just what's the no way! A chroma gemstone. That is beautiful. No. Oh, melon. I like melon, especially because it's summer. Oh, guys, do you like my new YouTube thingy? Well, now I have like 3 months of summer. I already wasted 1 week of it because I was traveling around. Oh! I thought that girl was the murderer. You just need to watch out, you know. You better watch out. You need to always just watch out for the people in MM2. Yeah, and somebody just died. Was it that guy? Or was it nobody? I wanna get murderer soon. Well, I'm gonna be staying in prison because they're where I belong. And because I'm gonna unbox Tinky after this round. The knife box too. And I hope I get overseered or the borders. Look at it. It's so beautiful. And look at 8-bit. I like all of them, to be honest. That's why I'm opening that one. Oh! Well, I might have just broke my phone a little bit. Well, that's okay. I just have a little crack. Anyways, let's go to the weapons. Here it is. Let's open it. Unboxing. Please get something good. Oh, I got Stalker. Look how pretty that looks. Look at it. Beautiful. I have a new thingy to my collection. Where is it? Did I just get scammed? I got scammed. I'm just kidding. It's over here. There's Stalker, there's all of this stuff. And there's the elf thingy that I traded for a godly pet. Well, at least I got Stalker. It's like epic, I think, because epics. And what does this guy have? Only splash and a lot of good stuff. No way! That's why he probably is the best. Yeah, dude. Well, oh, good job, Among Us. Is that your little head there? Among Us. Let's play a round. Let's choose something that I need to go like that. Let's choose something that so I'm gonna use this. No, I cannot choose. I don't know what to use. I think I might as well use Stalker. It is pretty cool having this knife because, like, look at it. It's like a little bit mistaken. Do you see that? The reason why I wanted to get the borders is because, look at it. Look at it. It's like, I should stop yapping. Well, oh! No way! Why do I not have my boxing thingy? I want my boxing thingy. Where I hit it when I get raged. I was the first one to die. I hate this. Let me just go for a little swing. Yeah.